Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Happy new month to everyone. Today is 1st of February 2024 and these are thought strategy for today. So we're going to drop strategies across all our channels today. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we drop today, 1st of February 2024. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 75 index, and I've logged into the trading platform. The first thing you have to do is to go to the trades. Here you change the volatility to 75 index, then you go to the chart types right here, click on 1 minute, click on candle, then you'll be able to see the candle chart right here. We're going to be using the candle to place our trades. Then you go to the touch no touch, make sure you choose your trade type, go to touch no touch, click on it, click on ticks, set this to 10 ticks, then set the barrier offset to minus 25.762, minus 25.762. Enter the amount you want to stake. We are going to be trading touch, so your mouse has to be here. So we're going to be watching the candle. You can see the candle is straight. Once the candle turns green and it pushes right up a little bit, we're going to click on touch. Let's go for our first trade. The candle is still red, so you have to be patient. You have to watch carefully. You can see it's pushing right up. The candle is green. There has to be some gaps. It's going up, so I place a trade here, so it's going to rebound. Let's just wait. Okay, you can see we won that trade here. We won that trade. So but next time I have to wait for the candle to go a little right up. I need to wait for it to go up. You can see we made 12.17 right there. So our mouse has to be here. The candle is green again. It's pushing right up. Pushing right up again. Okay, so the candle is up, so let's wait for the time count. You can see we already won that trade there. We already won that trade. You can see right there we've won that trade. So we're going to place one more trade, but before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's a boat right there, and you can see a lot of payment options on the order page. The boat is just $9.99 USD. To order the boat, visit touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. Make sure you test this boat on demo continuously before you go live. And the PIPSREAPER boat as well is the PIPSREAPER boat. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binarypipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat is just $7.99 USD. You can see the payment options: PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Bank Transfer, Bitcoin, USDT. So many payment options. Don't forget that our boat comes with the free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, and you also get a free bots for synthetic indices. They also give out the free Forex ebook, and you get a free Forex bot programmed by me. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels to watch our strategies, and here are the links to purchase the bot. We'll paste this link in the video description. There's a link to purchase the binary PIPSREAPER bot. Here is the link to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER bot. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So here is the link to download the free Forex book. There is a link to sign up for a free Forex trading account to test the boat we gave out for free. And here is the link to download the ebook for synthetic indices. In this ebook, so you see the links to download the bots we gave out for free. So here is the link to our forum website. Join the forum to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trading. Let's place one more trade for today. I'm gonna go for our last trade now. Let's just watch let's watch the candle again. Let's watch the candle once it turns green. Pushing right down there, so we have to be patient. Actually waiting for the green candle to show up right there. Okay, let's just wait as a green candle. Okay, and place the trade there. So you can see we want that trade right there. We want that trade, so you can go on and on and on. Make sure you are patient, watch the candle before you place the trade. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.